Hey everyone, so I've got my SimPure hot water system here. Now they were kind enough to send this to me so I could go ahead and show you how it works. Now this is the Y10H. It does just make hot water. And what I want to do before we get into the details of how this actually works, let me go ahead and show you what it comes with. So it does come with this water pitcher. Right here is the size of it. It's a 0.32 gallon. Also, it comes with this drip tray. It's real easy to remove. You just pull that off right here. This metal screen here, you can pull that off to clean up underneath it, and to put it back in, we just push it in just like that. On the top side here, this is where we have our filters, and they do have a quick start guide on this lid. So this is a reverse osmosis filter. Right here it's listed as first filter. It does come with a wrench if you need to use that. All you're going to do is just twist that. Pops right out. Right here, it does say reverse osmosis membrane filter. Now, it does have two filters, and we'll get to that second one here in just a second. But these filters last anywhere from 6 to 8 months, or right around 528 gallons. I do like that it has the rubber seals. I mean, there's quite a few of them, and that's all to prevent leakage. Let's go ahead and put that in. Now, you don't have to necessarily use a wrench. It's really easy to do, too, by hand. And then we have another filter right here on the front, right behind this door. You push that, and then we've got a carbon filter right here. So this door does remove. This easily pulls out like that, and you twist it to go ahead and replace that. So let's go ahead and put that back up. On the back side, we have a water tank filter replacement guide on the top of this lid. This does have a handle. It just slides out like that. And this right here is 1.3 gallons. So this is where we're going to go ahead and put our unfiltered water in. Put the lid back on. And the way this does work, the unfiltered water, after it comes out of here, it goes through your two filters, and then your filtered water is actually going to be in here. So you could, if you want to, drink from here or the dispenser here. Now, this right here, the dispenser actually draws the water from here to work. Now, one thing to make note is that when you do put water in here for the first time or replace your filters, you're going to flush the system 3 to 5 times. So I've just turned it on, and there's no water in the unit, so I want to show you what the displays mean. So right now it says filtering, that's blinking, and then also change water is blinking. So when you don't have any water in your feed tank, or you don't have any water in your pitcher, you're going to get these lights that are going to come on. Now the pitcher one, it's on right now, but if you take it off, that means the pitcher is not in the proper position. Also, we've got an indicator for the first filter and second filter, and that's going to let you know how much life is left on it. So right now we have 3 dots, so it's all ready to go. And also you have a lock button. Since the water does come out hot, you wouldn't want these to get pressed by accident. So if you just press that right there, you can unlock it and use the controls. You press it back, and you're ready to go. Now that I have some water in the unit, let me go ahead and show you how it works. Now right now it's in lock mode, and it does that after 1 minute. It always goes back to auto lock. After 10 minutes, it'll go into low power mode, and everything will go blank. But just to wake it up, you could press any button. So right now we've got formula, coffee, and tea. I'm going to unlock it. I'm going to hit formula. Right now, within 3 seconds, it's going to heat up the water to 113 degrees, and the water will continue pouring until I hit that button again. If I want to hit coffee, it will come out at 185 degrees. And then if I want to hit tea, it's 200 degrees, that's the max. Now this is adjustable, and that's what the plus and minus is. You could, if you wanted to, preset that to whatever temperature you want, but you can't do that with coffee or the formula. Now one thing that's great about this is that it's 3 seconds and the water's hot, and it also, with the filters, will remove 99.9% of the contaminants. So we also have ambient. Now what that means is there's no heated water coming out. We can have ambient water come out there, or if we want to, we can just remove the pitcher and pour it out from here too. But this is real simple to use. I like that the filter life is really good too, and especially with the auto lock function, that's great too, just for mistakes in case anyone actually hits a button. Hope you found this review helpful.